Today I'm going to show you my great room decorated for Christmas, and I'm actually getting ready right now to work on the front porch, but first I want to show you all of the inside. Welcome to the peaceful home. It's so fun to have the holidays underway just weeks before Christmas, and already our hills are getting so green and beautiful. I decided just to show you the things that I've done in the great room. I've simplified so much this year. When I look back at my old Christmas videos, oh my goodness, I had so much going on, and I'm really liking this look. You don't even have to listen to me talk. I decided not to explain anything, but just to show you the footage with some music. I hope you enjoy it. I wanted to show you this real quick. In a previous video, I had shown these silver leaves that belonged to my grandma, and I used to set the table for Christmas with them. And I didn't think I was going to do that anymore, and several of you had ideas of ways that I could still display them, and that really encouraged me because I wasn't planning on doing that, but it sparked this idea, and I ended up using this Thrifted soup tureen. I filled it with the silver leaves and with greens and with gold and ivory bulbs, and decided to tie it up with this green velvet ribbon. And I'm just so happy I did this little project at the last minute, and I think it turned out really nice. And it is a wonderful reminder of my grandma and so many Christmases from my childhood. much for watching today. My front porch video will be my last one of the year, so watch for that. I pray you experience peace and joy every single day of this amazing season. God bless you.